If you're looking to set up travel budget notifications in Navan, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, we'll break down how to get those alerts set up to keep your travel expenses in check. And we'll show you how easy it is to start using Navan for free with an exclusive bonus. Stick around till the end for a special deal you won't want to miss. Navan is a comprehensive travel management software designed to streamline business travel, and one of its most powerful features is the ability to set up custom travel budget notifications. These notifications help you keep track of expenses in real time, ensuring that you never go over your designated budget. Whether you're a solo traveler or managing a whole team, these notifications will help you stay in control. To set up your travel budget notifications, first log into your Navan account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings tab and look for the Budget section. Here, you'll be able to create a new budget for any trip. Set the budget amount for things like flights, hotels, transportation, and meals. Once your budget is set, you can select the threshold for your notifications. For example, you might want to be alerted when you hit 80% of your budget, or you could set it at 90% if you want to be extra cautious. Now for the best part. With Navan, you can choose how you want to be notified. You can opt for email alerts, push notifications, or even in-app notifications, depending on what's most convenient for you. This flexibility ensures that you'll always know where you stand when it comes to your travel budget, no matter where you are. Setting up these notifications only takes a few minutes, and it's a great way to avoid any surprises when the final bill comes in. For those of you managing multiple trips or working as part of a team, Navan also allows you to track the budgets for various team members or departments. This makes it easy to ensure that everyone stays within their designated budget, and it gives you a real-time overview of all travel expenses. It's also worth mentioning that Navan integrates seamlessly with your company's financial tools, making it easy to track expenses across different platforms. You'll be able to sync your travel expenses directly with accounting software or any other financial management tools your business uses. Once your travel budget notifications are set up, you can relax, knowing that Navan will keep you updated if things start to go over the budget. It's a hassle-free way to manage travel expenses, especially when you have a busy schedule. And remember, you can start using Navan for free today with the exclusive bonus linked below. Not only will you get access to these travel budget notifications, but you'll also unlock a range of other features that make business travel simpler and more efficient. I highly recommend sticking around till the end of this video because, as promised, I'll be sharing a special extended free trial of Navan. Trust me, it's a great opportunity if you're looking to take control of your travel expenses without the stress. So, if you want to make managing your business travel budgets easier, set up your travel budget notifications in Navan now. Check out the first link below for your exclusive offer.